A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों? आज हम cursive letters का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. पेंसिल कैसे होल्ड करनी है आपको? Like this. Now see here, first letter is A. A for apple. Now draw with me. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. And last a loop between these two lines. A for apple. What is the spelling of apple? A P P L E. Apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. Put your pencil on the dot. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. Then a curve. Loop. Then again a curve. This is letter B. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? B A L L. Ball. Now the next letter is B letter के बाद क्या आता है बच्चों? C. C for cat. See here. Draw with me. Put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve and a semicircle. This is letter C. C for cat. What is the spelling of cat? C A T. Cat. Now the next letter is D. D for duck. Put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line, a loop, then a semicircle. This is letter D. D for duck. What is the spelling of duck? D U C K. Duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. Put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve, then a semicircle, one more semicircle, and stop here. This is letter E. E for elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Now the next letter is F. F for fish. See here. Draw with me a curved line on the red line. Draw a slanting line like this and again a curve. Now the last line is slipping line on the first blue line. This is letter F. F for fish. What is the spelling of fish? F I S H. Fish. Now the next letter is G. G for grapes. F for fish के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बच्चों? G. G for grapes. See here. Draw a curve, then a semicircle, slanting line, then again a curve. This is letter G. G for grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G R A P E S. Grapes. Now the next letter is H. H for house. See here. Draw a curve, a slanting line, one more slanting line, then a loop between these two lines. H. H for house. What is the spelling of house? H O U S E. House. Now the next letter is I. H for house के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बच्चों? I. I for igloo. Now write with me. Draw a curve, slanting line, then again a slanting line, then a curve. This is letter I. I for igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? I G L O O. Igloo. Now आई फॉर इग्लू के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? द नेक्स्ट लेटर इज जे. जे फॉर जोकर. See here, put your pencil and draw a curve and a slanting line and a curved line. This is letter J. J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? J O K E R. Joker. Now the next letter is K. J for joker के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? K. K for kite. See here, a curve, slanting line, again a curve, one more curve line, loop, then again a curve line. This is letter K. K for kite. What is the spelling of kite? K I T E. Kite. Now the next letter is K for cat के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? L. L for lion. L for lion. See here, draw with me a curved line, then a loop, a slanting line, again a loop, then a curved line. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L I O N. Lion. Now L for lion के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? The next letter is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. See here, draw with me a slanting line, one more slanting line, one more slanting line, and this is the last line. M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M O N K E Y. Monkey. Now M for monkey के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? N. N for nest. What is the spelling of nest? N E S T. Nest. See here, draw with me a slanting line, second slanting line, and this is third slanting line. And for nest, again write with me first slanting line, second, and this is third slanting line. And for nest, what is the spelling of nest? N E S T. Nest. Now write with me, put your pencil on a blue line, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, then again a slanting line. And for nest, what is the spelling of nest? N E S T. Nest. Now again write with me N E S T. Nest. 3 slanting line से हमने ज्वाइन करके क्या बनाया? The new letter is N. N for nest. Now again write with me slanting line, first slanting line, second slanting line, this is third slanting line. And for nest, again write with me N for nest. What is the spelling of nest? N E S T. Nest. Now what you have to do? You have to practice the cursive letters and click a picture of it and send to the school WhatsApp number. In your homework, what you have to do? आपको होमवर्क में क्या करना है बच्चों? आपको कर्सिव लेटर्स का रिविजन करना है, आपको कर्सिव लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. ओके, दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन, टेक केयर and keep studying.